Haven't we all enjoyed a fireplace or a campfire? The light, the warmth, and the crackle of the flames, but what exactly is a flame? Let's take a look.
To answer this question, you need to look very carefully and ask yourself the right question. First question, are there types of flames?
For instance, is this a flame? How about this one? And this? This? Or even this?
Careful though, things that look like flames are not always flames. This looks and flickers like a flame, but it isn't a flame.
So, how are those flames similar to the flame in this fireplace? Well, they all give off light.
Question, is the color of all the flames the same? This one's blue and almost invisible. This one's blue at the bottom, but goes through other colors. Same with this, blue at the bottom, multiple colors. This one's similar as well. So is this one. So what causes the different colors in the flame? Blue, yellow, orange, and red. Different colors represent different temperatures. Blue is around 1400 degrees Celsius, whereas red is cooled down to about 800 degrees Celsius. Note that this candle flame is blue right down at the bottom next to the wick, and then it goes through the various colors out to the outer edge, which is red, the coolest temperature. 800 degrees is still pretty hot. You can burn your hand even at this distance. Whereas our fake flame, of course, is totally cool. Real flames give off light of various colors and heat. So what keeps a flame going? This particular fireplace burns propane to keep it going. This paper match burns the paper of the match, leaving behind a black carbon substance. This wooden match also burns down, leaving behind that same black carbon-like substance. It may not seem like this candle's burning anything, yet leave it long enough and the candle gets consumed. Looking even closer, we see that the heat from the flame melts the wax. The liquid wax is drawn up by the wick into the flame area and is consumed by the flame. So now we know flames require some sort of fuel. Paper or wood for the matches, wax for the candle, butane for the lighters, and propane for the fireplace. So what else is required besides fuel to keep a flame going? Well, here's an experiment we could try to show one of these things that happens to be invisible. Here we have a small candle in a shallow glass plate. We pour in a little bit of water, and the water is so that air can't get into the glass we're about to put over the candle. Watch very carefully. We put the glass over the candle. Watch the flame and the water level. The water level starts to rise, the candle starts to extinguish, the flame's gone, the candle's floating, and the water level has risen inside the glass. So there was something inside the glass that was required to keep the flame going, and it got consumed by the candle. You can actually measure the volume of what got consumed by measuring the height the water rose in the glass, the inner diameter of the glass, and plugging that into the equation of the volume of a cylinder. So what that substance was something that's pretty important on this planet. It's called oxygen, something that even you and I require to keep living. So what is a flame? A flame is a chemical reaction requiring fuel and oxygen to sustain it. And while there's fuel and oxygen, it'll give out light of various colors and heat